In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to switch to a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially during long work sessions or in low light environments. First, open Confluence and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or avatar. From the drop-down menu, select Theme. This will open your appearance settings, where you can choose how Confluence looks. You'll see several options, including Light, Dark, and Match Browser. Select Dark to immediately enable dark mode across your Confluence workspace. If you'd rather have Confluence automatically follow your computer or browser's appearance settings, choose Match Browser. Confluence will then switch between light and dark mode whenever your system theme changes. The new theme is applied instantly, so you can immediately start working in dark mode. If you ever want to switch back, simply return to the theme menu and choose Light or Match Browser. And that's how to enable dark mode in Confluence. Thanks for watching.